Hello everyone. Welcome to MedLab Middle East Online 2021. Thank you for confirming your participation as a confirmed exhibitor for MedLab Middle East. If you're an exhibitor that has completed your registration inside Visit Connect, then this video is going to take you through how to log into the online event platform, how to update your company profile, and how to start uploading products. Our online event platform is based on a software called Swapcard. So if you've completed your registration inside Visit Connect, you will receive a welcome email from noreply@swapcard.com with a subject line that gives access to the online platform of MedLab Middle East. The email also gives you a few recommended steps that you must take if you're logging in for the first time as an exhibitor. You simply click on Let's Get Started to get access to the online event platform. Once you're inside the online event platform, you will see a login button on the top right side of your screen and a few content buttons that you can access. You start by logging in using the same email address that you registered with inside Visit Connect. So this is going to be your registered email address. If this is your first time logging, you will be prompted to create a password at this step. But if you've logged in previously, then you can simply use the same password as you have in the past to gain access to MedLab Middle East Online. Once you're inside the platform, you will see that you have a personal profile on the left that you can edit, which means that all the information that you provided at registration can further be enriched, modified if you click on edit here. But we start by updating your company profile. You can see that your personal profile is now linked to a company or a virtual listing. This listing can be edited by clicking on the pen icon here next to the company name. Alternatively, you can go to the main menu drop-down and head to the Exhibitor Center section. The Exhibitor Center is nothing else but an exhibitor's view of their virtual listing from where they can update their company profile, also view progress on their company profile's performance, check how many leads you've collected so far, etc. We start by clicking on editing my company profile, either on the left side here on the panel or on the right side next to the company name. We start by the panel and we can see it splits into three sections: the overview, documents, and products. That's the order in which we will go. You might find that there are a few features here on my screen that are available only to Deluxe members. So if you're a Deluxe exhibitor, then you will have an option to update an advertising banner, a background image, and a header image. But if you're a premium exhibitor, you may not find these features on your screen. If you're interested to upgrade your plan from premium to deluxe, please reach out to your sales manager who can give you more information. We'll start by clicking on edit. This is from where we can start updating our company profile from the beginning. We can update in event header banner, which takes up this hero space on our company profile screen. Alternatively, if we don't want a banner, but instead want a video to play about our company, we can select the source of that video and drop a link here. The banner will be replaced by a video that keeps playing on loop for customers that come to your profile. You can upload a logo. The logo is part of premium members profile as well, so you should be able to click on the plus sign and upload a logo that meets the dimension that's given here on the right side. We recommend you update your company name if your company name is different or you're representing a different brand inside the exhibition. Then we proceed to the next section, which is about your company information. You will be able to add a short overview about your company, its history, and the products that you have been providing to the industry. This also allows you to have certain formatting tools inside the text box, including an option to hyperlink to an external page. Further, you tag your company to relevant focus days. If you feel like your company needs to stand out to the audience that's going to log into one of these focus days, then you can go ahead and tag your company to that focus day. Audiences that are searching for companies that are linked to those focus days might find your company at the top of the searches and then directly contact you. You can select countries in which your office is based. So if you are a Middle East-based office, then you can select all the countries in which you have sales offices. You must go on and select the nature of business that best describes your company's role in the industry, and then give give us answers on what your typical customer would look like, what would they be, who are you more interested to connect with, what would their nature of business be in the industry. And lastly, you make a selection of all the product categories and subcategories that best describe the products and services that you provide to your customers. All of these fields and all of the data that you provide in these fields is going to help your customers filter down and find all the companies that meet their criteria. We then move to the next section, which is social media. You can enter hyperlinks to all the social channels that you have for your company. It's just going to help you boost visibility. We also have a bunch of other social networks in case if you are on any of those. And next we move to contact details. You can upload a mobile number, landline, email, and website, which is generic to your company. We recommend that you give a generic phone number and email address that a customer can drop inquiries on instead of personal ones, but you could suit your interest. And then eventually you can also drop the physical address of your company. So if you have an office that you want to locate on your company profile, you can go ahead and add the details here. Once you've completed all of this information, you can start seeing that it starts to populate on your company profile section, and it all starts to become visible to other visitors and attendees. We then move to the documents section. Most exhibitors find the documents section very helpful. You can add documents that are sales brochures, handouts, flyers, information journals that you want to, or reports that you want to share with your customers. This is simply content that the customers can pick directly from your profile without having to interact with anyone. So if you feel that you have any of those handouts that you want to give, you simply click on add a document, and then go ahead and upload a file either from your device, or you drop a link to the document. You give the document a title and a quick description of what the customer should expect by downloading that document. Next, we move to products. This is where we will learn how to upload products. Now, if you are a premium exhibitor, you will see that your limit to uploading products is down to 4. However, if you are a deluxe member, then you can upload unlimited products. When you start by clicking on add, it will prompt you to select the closest category that describes your product. Let's say I select lab disposables. And then go ahead and select the closest subcategory that describes your product. You give your product a name and then a description. Once you've been able to give your product a name and description, you can go ahead and create the product. At this stage, the system will prompt you to upload images. More than one are welcome to upload for each product. The image should be anything less than 1 MB in size and should be square in its dimension. You can upload multiple images per product, but we recommend 2 to 3 because that is how much a visitor's attention span best is. And then you go ahead and make relevant selections for focus days. Again, if you have focus days that you select for your product, then the product will be pushed to attendees on that focus day when they're logging in, and will also show up in relevant searches. You can also include a video URL if you have a video that is sort of covering your product with all its features, or include a URL to a brochure or a product featurette if you have that you want to pass on as part of a product listing. Once you've started adding these products, they will start becoming visible on the body section of your exhibitor center, in which you can then move them around as you like. Once you've completed all of these inside the exhibitor center, we recommend you switch back to the event. Switching back to the event means that it is going to take you to the visitor's view, meaning it's going to take you to the section from where you started. You can go back into the exhibitor list and now look for your company to see and double check if all your changes have actually taken effect. You simply look for your company and double check that all the changes that you wanted to make have now reflected on your screen. Once you've done all of the stuff that you wanted to do in terms of updating your company profile and uploading products, in case if you have any further questions that you want to ask and you need help from a customer service agent, Feel free to reach them using the help desk that is given to everyone on the homepage. You simply click on help desk, which will basically allow you to chat with a customer service agent. Once you're inside the live help desk, you can see a lot of information that has been posted to help exhibitors go through step-by-step material. You can download any of these documents or view a recording of this video, and it'll help you go through all the questions, go through a step-by-step, screen-by-screen guide on how you can maximize your benefits from the online event platform. And then you can also drop a chat. One of our customer service representatives will immediately pick your message and help you with your queries. In case if you have any further questions, you can also write to us at mlme.customerservice@informa.com. Again, the same customer service team is at your service on the same inbox. I hope you find all the information, the tips and tricks on this video helpful. Feel free to reach out in case of any further questions. Thank you.